Lewis,
I am untouchable.
Nilikuta na murembo nikamupiga swali kidogo huyo binti.
Hey people, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So if you're new here, make sure you go out there and subscribe and hit that notification bell and you'll get utakuwa unaambiwa tukiupload any video. This is Maweko FM and I am Miss Vee.
I love the presenter.
And we're having fun today. Today is Mugithi Friday. So if you have not joined, if you have not watched us, go up on Facebook. We come every time from Monday to Sunday.
Friday.
To Friday.
Saturday.
Yeah, but today is Mugithi Friday. Okay. Sour. Okay.
Yes, hi guys. I'm one of the presenter. Welcome to our YouTube channel, please. So that you have subscribe to the channel. Touch the notification bell. In every time we upload the video, you are there, the first person to watch it. Tune it.
my YouTube channel. And same time, same place with me, Miss V.
Oh.
With Vee Rhav, the presenter. So subscribe and leave a comment and also share.
Exactly.
Yeah.